Hello, hello! Let's go to Pandan Island in Sablayan, Occidental Mindoro. So, kahit saan kayo manggaling, you need to use Batangas City Port to go to Mindoro, either Occidental or Oriental. So, there's terminal fee of around 200 pesos. You can put your car on the Roro if you have car. We pay 2,200 pesos for the car, including the driver, and 420 pesos per passenger. This is a Roro Master. So if you're using other line like Montenegro, it will be more expensive. This one is a public bus. If you don't have a car, you can also go to Mindoro using bus. There are a lot of terminals in Manila. I just don't know how much it is. And then as you can see, there's a a ship na damage of typhoon last week. There was a typhoon, a big typhoon last week. So ito affected siya. Kaya medyo tumagilid siya dyan. Ayan oh. Buti nga walang bagyo nung pagpunta namin. Ayan, this is how it looks like inside, yung mga passenger. Diyan kami uupo later. Ayan, nakatulog na siya dyan. Ayan. It takes about, they said, 1 hour from the Batangas port to Abra de Ilog. But this time, I think we took about 1.5 hours to reach because we're using Roro Master, which is mostly, it's used for cargo vessels, so medyo mabagal siya. A little bit slower than the passenger Roro. Roro is this ship called Roro here in the Philippines. Now we're going out, and we have reached the Abra de Ilog port. We're preparing na to go out this time. Ayan o. Hindi naman siya nakakahilo. Okay lang. I don't feel dizzy at all. I don't know, syempre kanya-kanya naman tayo niyan. So this is the Abra de Ilog. Look how fresh and beautiful the place, the mountain, the ambience, the breeze. It's really, really nice there. Sobrang ganda ng place na yan. Ayan, Port of Abra de Ilog. Ayan, we're on our way to Santa Cruz first because we bought a little bit of property there, a small portion of beach lot. Ayan, as you can see, see all the rice fields, corn fields, like that one, they're drying rice on the street. I don't know anong tawag sa ipa in English, but yeah, when you grind it become rice. This is our small property in Santa Cruz, Barahan, Santa Cruz, Occidental Mindoro. So inshallah in the future we'll have our own kubo there, or bungalow, or beach house to stay. No need to rent. This one is the way going to Sablayan. We're going to Pandan Island already, and before Pandan Island we need to go to Sablayan proper. You can see how beautiful the trees, the bridges, the rivers. Yeah, it's really amazing. The rice fields, the corn fields. The roads are all flat. It's all cemented. This is the terminal of the boat going to Pandan Island. We park inside BIPAR, the Bureau of Fishery and Aquatic Resources. And then behind that is the boat terminal. The parking fee is only 30 pesos for 24 hours inside the BIPAR. So ayan, si Jan is entering the boat na. Unfortunately, 2 weeks ago they have a new rule that we need to pay tourism fee of 61 pesos. So me and Sally, we need to run going to tourism office to pay the 61 pesos tourism fee. Yeah. So in this trip we are 3 couples, me and John, and then this is Sally. This is Ted and Ate Marichu and Kuya Obet. Ayan, we need to wear of course, our life vest. That's a requirement. And then this is the visitor center office in Sablayan, and we paid 61 pesos for each tourist before the Coast Guard will let us go. You need to wear your life vest, you need to pay the tourist fee, and yeah, they will let you go. This is what they call glass boat. So I was thinking the whole boat is glass. No, it's not. There's a portion in the middle like that of glass, so you can see underneath. This is what they call the longest zip line in Asia. If you can see this one, if you can see the line, it's the zip line. So it's from Sablayan proper to that island. It's about 15, almost 5 minutes you are in the zip line. Yeah, to reach the island, it's 15 minutes. But before the island, we will be having a boat tour on the skirt of the island, of the whole island. Ayan. Ayan, nagbo-boat tour na kami niyan around the Pandan Island to see the whole island. Ayan, sobrang ganda. Super clean, super nice. Now we're approaching the island. Bababa na kami dyan. Ayan na yung Pandan Island. Ayan, dyan kayo ibababa ng boat if you're going sa Pandan Island. This is the entrance. Sobrang ganda, and we're very lucky. I think we are the only visitors in the island because there are no tourists because of the recent typhoons. And can you imagine, with such amount we will stay in the island by ourselves? Yeah, they have day tour also if you don't want to stay overnight. I think the entrance fee, I'm not so sure, 300 or 350 pesos, I can't remember now. But we rent the bungalow here for overnight for 3,200, one bungalow for a couple. And yeah, so that will be your expenses, the boat and the accommodation. 30 pesos per game sa billiard. So now we're walking to our bungalow. This is the bar. You can only charge your phone, your laptop here in the bar because in the bungalow, they use solar power. So it's only, they said it's only 12 volts. So yeah, so you cannot charge your phone and cell phone here. But they are very accommodating, and I think safe naman. People are really, really nice. And they have a good reputation as well in the market. So this is Pandan. It looks like pandan leaves, but I don't know if this is really called pandan. So I was wondering, maybe before this island is full of these pandan leaves. That's why they called it Pandan Island. Yeah, so this is the pathway going to our bungalow. It's just in front of the beach, and it's really nice. It's very seldom to rent a place right next to the beach and in that price. There are also some bungalows for family like this one, up and down, for group. Yeah. So this is our bungalow. Where is that? Yeah, a little little bit more. This one is up and down, so this is for group. I have no idea about the price for a group. I can't remember. You just go to their website, which is pandan.com, and you can see the prices there. It's very quiet, it's very nice because we are the only guests here. Yeah, this is the first bungalow for Ted and Sally, P3. And the next is for me and John, P2. Favorite P2, PT. Yep. So this is how it looks like. It's like really native Kubo. The next bungalow is for Kuya Obet and Ate Marichu. Let's enter and let's see what's inside. This bungalow is 3,200 pesos per night. Can you imagine that? It's about, let's say, 250 dirhams. Yeah. It's facing the beach. Let's see what's inside. One for Jan and one for Lori here. Okay. Oh, we have Colombo, ah.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. This one is for toothbrush.
Okay.
Because in the bucket for rinsing, because in the shower it's salty a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah, this fruit or tree, I have no idea what is this. If you have any idea what kind of tree is this, please comment below. Thank you. And there are a lot of different sizes of kubos or bungalows. Yeah, there are maybe for families or for group. Just visit their website for the pricing, www.pandan.com. We keep on walking and then suddenly we found out that there is scuba diving here, Mariposa diving shop. And of course my husband is very excited to see this one because he used to dive. He also he still dives, but his equipment is in Dubai. So most probably he will bring it in the Philippines if we are, if he will stay longer in the Philippines. Their dive shop amazed my husband because of the space and the setup. He said this is very organized and it has an ample space for the divers. So he likes the setup of this. Now this is the restaurant. Unfortunately, we never had a chance to take a picture of the food, but This is buffet and it included in our 3,200 per night bungalow. The dinner is included. The food is amazing. Salute to the chef of Pandan Island. It's really tasty, and it's like we are in a fine dining or in a hotel, in a restaurant in a hotel. It's really nice. All the food, lahat ng food masarap. All are masarap. This is we're going to the office to check out. I didn't notice that they have office here because there's a lot of trees. They were surrounded by plants and trees. So we will pay here for our checkup. Goodbye for now, and my husband is carrying caldero. He's now becoming a Filipino, becoming Pinoy. Show your caldero. Caldero. Yeah, we're going back to Sablayan terminal. Thank you for watching, and see you again next time.